Morphology of flowering plants. Terms, examples: smallest angiosperm, Wolffia, rootless plant 0.1 to 1 millimeter, lemna 0.1 centimeter, Erythrobium is smallest parasite plant. Tallest angiosperm, Eucalyptus regnans 100 to 113 meter. Largest angiosperm, Ficus bengalensis, that is banyan tree, spread up to 2 to 5 acre. Terms, examples: herbs, rice, wheat, buttercup, henbane, canna, etc. Shrubs, China rose, jasmine, rose, capparis, etc. Trees, mango, eucalyptus, आंवला, sagwan, neem, jamun, jackfruit, banyan, people, etc. Caudex or columnar trees, palm. Excurrent trees, pinus, eucalyptus, casuariana. Deliquescent trees, dalbergia, banyan. Terms, examples: trailers, tribulus, euphorbia; creepers, grass; twiners, ipomia; climbers, grapevine; lianas, hyptes, fanera; epiphytes, vanda; annual plants, all seasonal plants like rice, wheat, pulses, tomato, potato, onion, maize, etc. Biennial plants, sugarcane, sugar beet, henbane, carrot, radish, cabbage, etc. Perennial plants, mango, neem, banyan, eucalyptus, jamun, bamboo, castor, agave, etc. Terms, examples: hydrophytes, Thalassia, Zostera, Wolffia, Pistia, Eichhornia, Lotus, Hydrilla, Trappa, etc. Mesophytes, Mulberry, Artocarpus; xerophytes, Acacia capparis; succulent, Aloe, Opuntia, euphorbia; halophytes, Salsola, mangroves like Rhizophora, Abyssinia, etc. Terms, examples: total stem parasite, Cuscuta, that is Amarbel; total root parasite, Rafflesia, largest flower; partial stem parasite, Viscum; partial root parasite, Santalum, that is sandalwood, largest parasite plant; tap root system, dicots like mustard; fibrous root system, monocots like wheat, rice, etc. adventitious root system, grass, monstera, banyan tree. Terms, examples: multiple root caps, aerial stilt roots of pandanus, that is scrupine; root pockets, floating aquatic plants like lemna, pistia, eichhornia; fusiform root, radish, that is Raphanus sativus; conical root, carrot, that is Docus carota; napiform root, beetroot, that is Beta vulgaris; turnip, sorghum, that is Brassica rapa; tuberose, taproot, 4 o'clock plant, that is Mirabilis jalapa; parval, that is Trichosanthus. Terms, examples: respiratory root, also called aerophore, also called pneumatophore; mangrove plants of Sundarban of West Bengal like Rhizophora, Abyssinia, Heritera, Soneraceae, Cereops, etc. Nodulated root, legume plants of Fabaceae, that is Papilionaceae family like pea, gram, methi, groundnut, soybean, etc. Tuberose adventitious root, sweet potato, sakarkand, that is Ipomia batatas; fasciculated root, Dahlia asparagus. Terms, examples: nodulated adventitious root, mango ginger, turmeric; monoliform root, bitter gourd, that is Momordica; annulated root, ipecac; prop root, also called pillar root, banyan tree, Ficus bengalensis; stilt root also called brace root, sugarcane, screw pine that is pandanus, maize, jowar that is sorghum, bajra that is pennisetum, floating root juicea plant. Terms examples: assimilatory root also called photosynthetic root, water chestnut singhara that is trapa, Tinospora woody climber, Tinophyllum epiphytic plant, Hostorial root also called sucking root, also called parasite root, Cuscuta urbanki viscum, climbing root also called clinging root, Pan that is betel plant, money plant that is pothos, epiphytic root also called aerial root, also called hanging root, Vanda dendrobium, reproductive root, sweet potato dahlia. Terms examples: epiphyllous root, Bryophyllum begonia, contractile root also called pull root, crocus that is saffron, freesia, onion, lilium, root thorn, pothos armatus acanthoryza, bulbil, chlorophyton, oxalis, yam that is dioscorea, lily, agave that is century plant, turian, potamogeton, utricularia that is bladderwort. Terms examples: rhizome, ginger, turmeric, banana, com, colocasia, colchicum, gladiolus, amorphophallus that is jamaican, crocus that is saffron, tuber, potato, Jerusalem artichoke that is Helianthus tuberosus, bulb, onion, garlic, lily, narcissus. Terms examples: offset, pistia that is water lettuce, Icornia that is water hyacinth, sucker, banana, chrysanthemum, pineapple, mint, runner, durva, doobgrass that is cynodon, ductilon, oxalis, lawn grass, stolen, jasmine, blackberry, raspberry, colocasia, vallisneria, mint that is mentha viridis. Terms examples: phyloclade, Apuncia casuarina, euphorbia, cladode, asparagus ruscus, stem tendril, grapevine that is vitis, cucumber, pumpkin, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, watermelon, stem thorn, citrus plants, bougainvillea, coronda, pulvinous leaf base, leguminous plants, touch me not that is mimosa, bean, seeding leaf base, monocots like grass, bamboo. Terms examples: reticulate venation, dicot leaf, exception, calophyllum, corymbium and eryngium are dicots having parallel venation. Parallel venation, monocot leaf, exception, smilex, colocasia, alocasia, dioscorea are monocots having reticulate venation. Unicostate reticulate venation, people, ficus religiosa. Terms examples: multicostate convergent reticulate venation, bear that is Ziziphus jujuba, multicostate divergent reticulate venation, Luffa castor that is Ricinus grapevine, unicostate parallel venation, banana that is Musa, multicostate convergent parallel venation, grass bamboo, multicostate divergent parallel venation, fan palm. Terms examples: pinnately compound leaf, neem, mimosa, acacia, moringa, melia, palmately compound leaf, bombex, silk, cotton tree, alternate or spiral phyllotaxy, mustard, sunflower, china rose that is soufflower, opposite phyllotaxy, guava that is pseudium, jamun that is eugenia, calotropis, Tulsi, that is Ocimum Ginea quisqualis. World phyllotaxy, Nerium alstonia. Terms, examples: leaf tendril, garden pea, that is pea, Pisum sativum, sweet pea, Lathyrus odoratus, leaf spine, aloe cactus, insectivorous leaf, pitcher plant, that is Nepenthes, Venus flytrap, that is Dionia, bladderwort, that is Utricularia, sundews plant, that is Drosera, Sarracenia plant. Storage leaf, onion, garlic, winged leaf, citrus, spongy leaf, Eichhornia, phyllodes, Australian acacia, Parkinsonia. Terms, examples: solitary terminal inflorescence, poppy; solitary axillary inflorescence, Petunia, China rose; cymose inflorescence, Begonia, teak, Bougainvillea, Dianthus solenum; raceme, larkspur, radish; spike, Cheiranthus adathoda; catkin, also called amentum; mulberry, that is Morus alba; birch, oak, Acalypha. Terms, examples: spadix, banana; corimb, candy tuft, that is Iberis capsula; umbel, hydrocotyle plant; capitulum, also called racemose head; asteraceae, that is compositae family, that is sunflower, zinnia, cosmos, marigold; verticillaster, Lamiaceae family, that is tulsi, salvia; Cythium, Euphorbia pulcherrima, poinsettia, Pedilanthus; Hypanthoddium, Ficus, species of Moraceae family, that is Ficus religiosa, people; Ficus bengalensis, banyan; Ficus carica, fig; Ficus ramiosa, gular. Terms, examples: Anthophore, Silene plant; Androphore, passiflora; Gynophore, Cleome gynandra; Trimerous flower, Monocots, Liliaceae, Poaceae families; Tetramerous flower, Dicots; Pentamerous flower, Dicots; monoecious plants with bisexual flowers; Brassicaceae, Solanaceae, Fabaceae, Liliaceae, Poaceae families; China rose, cotton, pea, tomato, onion, grass, etc. Terms, examples: monoecious plants with unisexual flowers, coconut, cucumber, cassia, maize, Acalypha; dioecious plants, papaya, mulberry, colocasia, date palm; actinomorphic radial symmetry, mustard, chili, datura; zygomorphic bilateral symmetry, pea, gulmohar, cassia, bean; asymmetry, canna, orchid, cactus. Terms, examples: persistent calyx, brinjal, tomato; advertising flag, musanda; polycephalus, China rose; gamocephalus, potato, tomato, brinjal; epicalyx or hypocalyx, China rose; valved estivation, Calotropis, mustard; twisted estivation, China rose, lady's finger, cotton; imbricate estivation, cassia, gulmohar; waxillary estivation, Fabaceae, that is Papilionaceae family, for example pea, bean. Terms, examples: perianth, tepals; Liliaceae, Poaceae families; monoadelphous stamen, China rose, that is hibiscus; diadelphous stamen, pea, bean; polyadelphous stamens, citrus plant; syngenesious or synantherous stamens, sunflower; synandrous stamens, cucurbita. Terms, examples: epipetalous stamen, Solanaceae family; epitepalous or epiphyllous stamen, Liliaceae family; gynandrous stamen, Calotropis; didynamis stamens, Lamiaceae family, Tulsi, salvia; tetradynamis stamens, Brassicaceae, that is Cruciferae family, mustard, radish; basifixed anther, radish mustard, adonate anther, ranunculus magnolia, dorsifixed anther, passiflora sesbania prunus, versatile anther, grass. Terms, examples: Apocarpus flower, rose, lotus. Sycarpus flower, mustard, ranunculus, brinjal. Marginal placentation, pea plant. Exile placentation, tomato, lemon, China rose. Parietal placentation, mustard, argemone. Free central placentation, dianthus, primrose. Basal placentation, sunflower, marigold. Terms, examples: hypogynous flower, mustard, China rose, brinjal, petunia. Perigynous flower, plum, peach, rose. Epigynous flower, guava, cucumber, bitter gourd, ray floret of sunflower. True fruit, also called eucarpic fruit, mango, cucumber, guava, papaya, tomato, pea, mustard, etc. False fruit, also called pseudocarpic fruit, apple, pear, cashew nut, mulberry. Parthenocarpic fruit, banana, grapes. Terms, examples: Sorosis fruit, jackfruit, mulberry, pineapple. Cyconus fruit, fig, gular, banyan, peepal. Caryopsis, also called grain, wheat, maize, rice, etc. Echin, mirabilis, lotus. Cypsela, sunflower, soncus, zinnia, taraxacum, marigold, etc. Nut, anacardium, that is cashew nut. Lychee, that is marking nut. Prapa, that is water chestnut. Quercus, that is oak. Terms, examples: legume or pod, gram, lentil, pea, bean. Siliqua, mustard, radish, that is Brassicaceae family. Silicula, Iberis capsula. Capsule, opium, argemone, cotton, lady's finger, linseed, datura. Lomentum, tamarind, cassia, mimosa, groundnut, desmodium, acacia. Cremocarp, fennel, coriander, carrot, cumin, that is jeera, funiculum, that is sauf. Terms, examples: regma, castor, that is ricinus, family Euphorbiaceae. Carcerulus, tulsi, salvia, althea, abutilon. Samara, Holutelia, that is chilbil, ulnus, that is ilm, dioscorea. Iterio of achens, strawberry, rose, lotus, ranunculus. Iterio of berries, Atrabotris, polyalthea, custard apple, that is sitafal. Iterio of follicles, Calotropis, Delphinium, Michelia, Magnolia, Catharanthus. Iterio of drupes, raspberry, blackberry. Terms, examples: drupe, mango, coconut, peach, plum, cherry, bear, almond, walnut. Berry, tomato, guava, grapes, papaya, banana, brinjal, chili, betel nut. Pepo, cucumber, gourds, watermelon. Pome, apple, pear. Hesperidium, all citrus fruits, that is orange, lemon, etc. Balusta, pomegranate. Amphisarca, wood apple, that is bale. Elephant apple, that is kite. Terms, examples: endospermic or albuminous seed, mostly found in monocots and also found in few dicots. For example, maize, rice, wheat. Castor, dicot. Non-endospermic or edge-albuminous seed, mostly found in dicots and also found in few monocots. For example, pea, bean, gram. Orchids and Sagittaria, monocots. Perispermic seed, beetroot, black pepper, nymphea. Terms, examples: family Fabaceae. Fodder, Trifolium, that is Berseem sesbania, edible oil, soybean groundnut, dyes, indigofera, fibers, sunhemp, ornamentals, lupin sweet pea, medicines, mulethi, timber, shisham. Terms, examples, family Solanaceae, food, potato, tomato, brinjal, that is eggplant, makoi, simla mirch, gooseberry, spices, chili, fumigatory, tobacco, medicines, belladonna, ashwagandha, ornamentals, petunia, night jasmine, day jasmine. Terms, examples, family Liliaceae, food, asparagus, that is sattavar, onion, garlic, ornamentals, lily, tulip, gloriosa, medicines, aloe vera, garlic, other uses, colchicum plant, used in chromosome doubling. Terms, examples, family Poaceae, that is graminae, cereals, oat, that is jai, barley, that is jaw, rice, wheat, bajra, jowar, rai, maize, ornamentals, dhoop grass, sugar, sugarcane, fibers, munj fiber, timber, bamboo. Terms, examples, largest bud, cabbage, sterile stamens, tamarind, cassia, salvia, gulmohar, unopened flower bud, clove, Fibonacci movement, Drosera, Venus flytrap, Dionia, geocarpic fruit, groundnut, that is Arachis hypogea, caruncle, castor, that is Ricinus. Terms, examples, unilocular ovary, Dolichos, bilocular ovary, Solanum, trilocular ovary, Allium, tetralocular ovary, Datura, pentalocular ovary, Hibiscus, multilocular ovary, Abutilon, campanulate or bell-shaped corolla, tobacco, wheel-shaped corolla, brinjal, tubular corolla, disc floret of sunflower. Terms, examples, infundibulum or funnel-shaped corolla, Petunia datura, bilabiate corolla, Ocimum, entire leaf tendril, Lathyrus sativus, leaflet tendril, Pizum, that is P, petiolar tendril, Nepenthes clematis, stipular tendril, Smilex, leaf apex or tip tendril, Gloriosa, inflorescence tendril, Antigonum. Terms, examples, organs of perennation, potato, turmeric, ginger, colocasia, jamicum, biparous sign, bougainvillea, jasmine, dianthus, multiparous sign, calotropis, compound raceme, cassia fistula, Delonyx regia, compound spike, grasses, compound spadix, coconut, that is Cocos nucifera, compound corymb, cauliflower, compound umbel, coriander. Terms, examples, opposite superimposed phyllotaxy, guava, jamun, that is eugenia, opposite decussate phyllotaxy, calotropis, zinnia, tulsi, quisqualis, tetramerous flower, mustard, pentamerous flower, solanum, spathe, banana, maize, glooms, grass, wheat, petaloid bract, bougainvillea. Terms, examples, most advanced dicot family, Asteraceae, that is Compositae, most advanced monocot family, Poaceae, that is Graminae, most primitive dicot family, generally Magnoliaceae or Ranunculaceae, buttercup family. family Brassicaceae, that is crucifery, radish, turnip, cauliflower, cabbage, nal khol, mustard, rye, candytuft, shepherd's purse, wallflower.